Hi guys, welcome back. I'm hoping that you had a really great spring break. I definitely wish that we were back in our classroom, but I'm glad that we are all able to connect on Teams. And the great thing is that you guys have been using Teams probably more than any other kid you know, so you have a definite advantage over them. So I just want to give you a quick little rundown about how this is going to work. When you logged in, you probably saw this welcome message. And then you probably found this video here where it says due by 4/3/20. So I just want to go over everything so that you know where to find stuff and you can let me know if you have questions. So we'll be able to chat on a different schedule depending on whether you're 6th grade, 7th grade, or 8th grade. So 6th graders are Tuesdays and Thursdays, and 7th and 8th graders are Monday, Wednesday, Friday. Now this is an optional meeting. But if you have questions, need help, or you just want to say hello to me, you can sign in just like you did here and then join this Learn Live button right here. Once you click it, I'll already be in the call waiting for you, and you can ask me questions, say hello. I can help you with anything that you're struggling with, and together we'll get through whatever you're going through. So really quick, very first thing you should do is read this right here. So this is going to tell you a little bit about how the class is going to go and how to get a grade for me. I'm going super easy on you guys for the first couple weeks because I want to make sure that you are feeling comfortable and that you have time to get used to the whole program because now all of your teachers are using Teams. So I want to make sure that you guys aren't stressed out, so I did not give you a lot of work for the first couple weeks. So here, make sure you read this and let me know that you read it by giving me a little reaction. Some of you have already been on there. Who's angry? Yvonne, why are you so angry? I really like these or these, but you can let me know that you read this, so don't react to it unless you read this. Okay, so now let's take a look. Every week you're going to see a post like this. It will say in big letters when it's due, and then I'll give you a to-do list. So this is really 2-week to-do list, but it says this week's to-do list. So here's all the things that you need to get done in order for you to have an A and to be marked present. So first thing you want to do is, again, make sure you read the welcome letter, and then complete your daily attendance warm-up. So I'm going to show you how to get to that in just a second. You're watching this video right now, which is great. You're going to do an intro video on Flipgrid. I'm going to show you how that works in just a second. You're going to sign into your code.org account. If you don't remember your login info, you're going to send me an email, and I will email it back to you. And my email's right here, so if you have any problems, you can email me there. Your only task is to do Unit 3, Lesson 1 in code.org. So I want you to try your best to get through it. I'm going to do a live Learn Live sessions 3 times this week for you guys. So if you're struggling with any parts of it, you can just join in on that meeting and I can show you some stuff on there and make sure you get through that lesson. Let's take a look at how to do your attendance. So we're going to go to assignments, which you guys are really used to doing. And every day your warm-up is 2 parts. And the first part is that you have to open it in order for you to get marked present. So basically, this is literally all you have to do is click it. So if you click the assignment, that's all you need. Now, it won't pop up until 7 a.m. each day, and it goes away at midnight. So you have to make sure that you go into this before midnight for me to mark you present. Now, if you forgot and it's like 12:01, send me an email so that I can make sure I mark you present. For here, now the second part for this is that it's actually a grade. Your attendance is not a grade, but there's a warm-up assignment attached here. So you're going to open the warm-up just like we've done 100 times, maybe 1,000,000 times, right? And when you go in it, your new warm-up every day is going to be to go to this website, a Google a Day. So it's kind of a fun little challenge when you go to it. You have to, let's check one out here real quick. So Google does these little challenges called a Google a Day to see how good you are at searching online. So some of you may think you are like super awesome at searching online, but Google wants to challenge you. So here's a Google a Day. So it'll ask you, here's a question, for example. An 11-foot bird lives less than 2 miles, and it gives you the latitude and longitude. It says, what's his name? So it kind of gives you some hints down here about how you might be able to find it. So you click Start Playing. So today's question is this one right here. ABCS helps students of anatomy recall what? So you're going to use your searching skills to try to find out what ABCS is and figure out what the answers to this question. So if you see this question, you're like, I don't really like that question. You can click on the second one, which is worth more points, or the third one. Super awesome if you get all three done, but you can do just one for credit. And you'll go back to Teams, you'll put your answer right here, and then when it's done, you will submit just like we always do. Now, it's super important that you submit it, right? So for you, mine says update, but yours says submit, turn in. So you're going to need to make sure you turn it in every day for me to give you credit. You do not have to turn in the assignment for me to mark you present. All you have to do for me to mark you present is literally open up the assignment. That's it. So I want to make sure you got that. All right, I'm going to try to move quickly so you don't have to watch a super long video here. So next thing I wanted to show you guys, if we go back to the post, is something else here for your to-do, is Flipgrid. So at some point this week, or even the next week, I would like for you guys to visit my Flipgrid. So you click the link, and you can do this on your phone. So you can actually download the Flipgrid app. You click Login with Microsoft, and it's going to hopefully come up with your school stuff. So I'm going to click my school stuff. It logged me in. There we go. So here's what it'll look like for you, except it'll say your name there. And when you scroll down, here's the first one we're going to do. So it says, welcome to Flipgrid. Tap the green plus button below to open the camera. Then record a short video. And it says, say hello. Tell me how you're feeling about online learning. So it's just like a quick thing for us to practice. So it looks like a couple of people already did that. So you're going to click the plus button and a little camera will open up and you can record yourself. If you hate it, you can re-record as many times as you need to. You can add some fun effects in there and stuff and just have some fun with it. But just say hello and tell me what you're thinking, how you're feeling about this. Are you nervous? Are you glad that we're doing this? What are you bummed about? If there's something you're scared about, happy, just tell me a little bit about how you're feeling. So that's all you have to do for the Flipgrid. And then again, you're going to sign into code.org and you're going to go to Unit 3, Lesson 1. So let me see if hopefully I have this up already. Okay, so you're going to go to Unit 3 and all you have to do is Lesson 1, which is super simple. But again, I wanted to make sure you guys had time to do stuff for all your core classes. So it's this one right here. It's Programming for Entertainment. So I'm not going to go through this whole lesson right now, because I want you to check it out on your own, and if you have questions, you can just join my live meeting any one of those days. So either Monday, Wednesday, or Friday at 2 o'clock. If you are stuck and you need help, or you just want to say hello and pop in, you will go right here, scroll down, and click the Learn Live button and join our meeting. All right? Okay, guys, hopefully this helps you get started, and I hope that you have a really easy time today and this week getting going on all your classes. But if you have any questions, you can email me if it's before the office hours or outside those times. If not, I hope that you'll stop by this week and say hello on one of our meetings. So I'll talk to you later. Have a great day.